MTD Network Weekly News. Now, I've been told not to be quite so animated this week and do it like a BBC News presenter. So here we go. First of all, red, request a quote. If you need parts manufactured, pop your details in there and we'll get some quotes for you. Blue, hit the blue button if you'd like to join MTD Network, actively promote your company and get access to those quotes. So moving on quickly, what's been going on? Ooh, look at that. Tefloturn, masters of plastic. So anything in plastic, watch the video, get in contact with Mick and the team. Honal, Andrea has been at the manufacturers debate presenting there. A lot of hot air possibly, read what she's got to say. Empire Manufacturing, new type G sliding head lathe where you don't need to grind the bar, shorter remnant and shorter pieces, so a lot more efficient. Get in contact with Stuart and the team. Rotec, fantastic machine shop, bit of spare capacity, both milling, turning, and they've got some automation. And mirror finishes, look at that component done by Clinton from Lincoln Engineering. Great parts, have a look at that. What's been trending? Well, Nerc Precision Engineering, Conrad, been in the industry quite a while. He's actually set up his own company, so have a look at that. And also tying in with that, an Anvil press tool that is already made, so have a look at that. What else we've got? We've got Citizen and Wilbar. They've got some spare capacity. He's got a new 5-axis machine, some milling and turning, so get in contact with those guys. We've also got Plasticom Injection Moulding down in Ashford, recently joined the network. We're going to do some videos there, looking forward to it. Machines that will press up to 550 tonnes, I'm reliably informed, so looking forward to seeing the team there. Quantum Precision have got a new website, mainly turning, fixed and sliding head, but a little bit of milling as well, so have a look at their website. And what else we got? That's about it, we've covered it all. So you know what I'm going to say, MTD Network this week, nice and sedate and calm like BBC News reader. Red, request a quote, pop your details in there. And if you want to join MTD Network, hit the blue button, get yourself actively marketed and get access to the inquiries. That's it for this week. I'm off the Farnborough Airshow, see some aeroplanes, we'll see you soon.